going to show you how to use our school library. First of all, you need to gain access to the e-platform. To do this, you need to go on this link. The link should take you here. When you then go to sign in, you need to put in your username and password. Your username will always be your first name dot your second name. So let's say your name was Tom Sawyer. Then you would put in capital T Tom dot capital S Sawyer. Or another example, let's say your name was Charlie Bucket. Then it would be capital C Charlie dot capital B Bucket. The password for the whole school is Library1, as you can see on the screen. So if you put your username, first name dot second name, and the password with a capital L, you should be signed in. Congratulations, you're now in the library. There are a few tabs up here, and a good one to start with is Library. Here you can be inspired. There are some books here, like favourites. Further down, there are popular titles. And even further down, you can also find latest editions and new releases. But if you're looking for a serious search, you're better off going to browse. Here, you can search better. You can choose according to availability, audience, fiction, non-fiction, the category, like children's, teenage fiction, true stories, and so on. And if you go further down, you can also choose the format. An interesting feature is that you can search by language. There is English, Spanish, French, and Italian. You can also go to your loans. As you can see, I have currently no loans, and I would have to go to browse to borrow a book. To do this, I click on a random book, for example this one, and I can see some feedback it has got. As you can see, it has a 4-star review. As you can see here, it tells me the loan duration. There's a summary here, and then here I can save it for later. Here are the copies available. Tells me which series it is from. It tells me when they've been previously borrowed, and I can have a look inside. If I then decide I want it, then I can borrow it. Then it's in my loans. If I want to read it, I can click on read, and if I want to return it early, I can go and return and say yes. Then it's returned. If I've saved a book, it is here. I can add it to the list or remove it. This is just to get you started. There are many other things to explore. I hope you've enjoyed this video.